presenting a pre-owned 2025 Mini Cooper S. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Mini is a steal with less than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include comfort package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.